Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 8 and Day 3. All the time, while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Let us move over today's class. First of all, we will learn phonics section. Today we will see some new 3-letter words and practice saying sounds in the 3 words. Okay? Today we will see some new 3-letter words and practice saying sounds in these words. Okay? Are you ready? Yes. See that? What is the beginning sound? Middle sound a. End sound g. A g. A g. Shall we read this word? Mug. Mug, mug, mug. This one you have to use your hands to read this word, okay? Point your shoulder, point your forearm, then point your hand to read this word. Mug, mug. Let us see the another example. Ha, a, g. Beginning sound ha, ha. Middle sound a, end sound g. Hug, hug, hug. Once again, mug, hug, mug, hug. You have to use your left hand to read this word. You have to read this word using letter sounds. Okay? Yes. See this? B, a, g, b, a, g, bug. B, a, g, bug. Beginning sound b, middle sound a, end sound g, bug, bug. How you have to read this word? You have to use your left hand to use the letter sounds to read this word, okay? Yes. Let us see one more example. Beginning sound b, b. Middle sound a. End sound d, d. Let us read this word. Bud, bud, bud. Once again, mug, hug, bug and bud. Yes. Yeah, do you understand, my dear children? Now we have to read our SR book. You will open your SR book, SR3, page number 67. I will give you 5 seconds time. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all opened your SR book. Add word family. Add word family. Ad, mud. You also read along with me. Ad, mud. Mud. Bud. Bud. One more example. Cud. Cud. Dud. Mud. Bud, cud, dud. So my dear children, from this you have to use your phonic sounds to read this word, okay? And also use the left hand. Beginning sound, what is that? Shoulder, forearm and hand to read this words, okay? Mud, bud, cud, dud. One more, next one. Ugg word family. Keep your finger or pencil like this, my dear children. You also read along with me. You know the phonic sounds, right? So we have to read this word. J-a-g, jug. J-a-g, j-a-g, jug. B-a-g, b-a-g, bug. M-a-g, m-a-g, mug. H-a-g, hug. H-a-g, hug. Next, b-a-g, bug. P-a-g, pug. D-a-g, dug. E-a-g, lug. T-a-g, dug. Once again, jug, bug, mug, hug, bug, dug, lug, dug. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. From this, you have to read in your home. Practice this phonics. Add word family and ug word family. Yeah, did we Today's class read that some phonics words, right? Shall we do one worksheet from this related? Yes. You will open your worksheet number 3, page number 82, question number 1. I'll give you 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1. Yes, I hope you are all opened this worksheet number 3, question number 1. See the question. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. Okay. Now I will say the letter sound and you have to circle all the words ending with that sound. Are you ready, my dear children? Just listen to me carefully. After that you have to do this. Listen the A question. Shall I say now? Which word has a end sound? I will say that now. G. 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 Can you find the answer? Yes. Which word has the end sound? G? Great. Bug and jug. So we have to circle these 2 words. Let us move the next question. Listen carefully. Just you listen the end sound. Okay. P. 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 Yes. Which word has the end sound? P? Can you guess the answer? Yes. Hop and cop. You have to circle these 2 words. Next, C question. Are you ready, my dear children? Yes. Boo. 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 Yes, very good. Cub and dub has a end sound boo. So you have to circle these 2 words. Yeah, great Kutima. Let us check your answers. Yes, next we will move to the second question. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. What is the middle sound? Beginning sound, middle sound and end sound. Second one is the middle sound. Now I will say the middle sound. You listen carefully. After that, which had that middle sound, you have to circle that. Are you ready, my dear children? Yes. See this A question. Listen carefully. I will say the middle sound. Yes. Which word has a middle sound? Yes. Pot and cart. So you have to circle these 2 words. Okay. Next. Let us move to the B question. Are you ready? Yes. Run and none. This word has a middle sound. Next, C question. Yeah, which has a middle sound? Lap and nap. So you have to circle these 2 words. Yeah, great Kutima. Let us check your answers. Yes. My dear children, this like you have to complete this worksheet neatly. Yes. Great Kutima. Let us move to the whole word section. You will open your SR book, SR 16, page number 80. I will give you 5 seconds time. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all opened this. You have to keep your finger or pencil like this. I will show the CRL. You also read along with me this whole words. Okay? Yes. Recap the whole words. There. You also read along with me. There. Tell. Also. How. Same. Yeah, great, my dear children. Did you read along with me? Yes. Now we have to recap from this unit 8 whole words. Said. You also read along with me. Said. Was. Eat. Went. Yes. Yeah, great, my dear children. Now shall we do one worksheet activity from this whole word section? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet number 3, question number 3, page number 82. I will give you 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. My dear children, which worksheet I said you have to open that? Worksheet number 3. What about worksheet number 3? Page number 82. Yes. Read each sentence and circle the whole words from the box. There are some sentences written here, right? Above the sentence are boxes with the words written in them. Look at the words written in the box, find them in the sentence and circle it, okay? First we have to read the sentence. Here any having whole words means you have to circle that. She went to see a beautiful garden. She went to see a beautiful garden. Here having any whole word? Yes. Went. So you have to circle this. Next, let us move to the next question. He said he has many stories. Right? Which whole word is here? Said. So you have to circle this. Next, it was a very beautiful car. Yes. Which whole word is here? Can you find the answer? Great. It and was. You have to circle this too. Next, Ria said she loved India. Rita said she loved India. Which whole word is here, my dear children? Yes, said. So you have to circle this. Next, I went to see Delhi. Which whole word is here? Went. You have to circle this. Yes. Great, my dear children. Just like you have to circle the whole words from this. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension section. From this, you have to open your SR book, SR 4, page number 68. I will give you 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. From this, we have to find the meaning of the words. Okay? Yes. See this. Beautiful India. What is the story name? Beautiful name. Beautiful India. The first vocabulary word is beautiful. What is the meaning by beautiful? Do you know that? Yes, beautiful means Arahana. Yes, beautiful means Arahana. Now I will read this story. You keep your finger or pencil this like, okay? Yes. Author Shakshi Bhatia. Illustration Girji Benha. You also read along with me, my dear children. Priya went to see India. See this first page. Priya went to see India. See the next one. She went to so many places. She said it was fun. She went to so many places. She said it was fun. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. They saw the Red Fort in Delhi. It was beautiful, right? Yes. See the next page. They saw Taj Mahal in Agra. They saw Taj Mahal in Agra. It was beautiful. They saw Hawa Mahal in Jaipur. It was beautiful. They saw Gateway of India in Mumbai. It was beautiful. They also saw Dal Lake in Kashmir. It was beautiful. See the next page. India is so beautiful. India is so beautiful, right? See the vocabulary word beautiful means Arahana. Many means Neraya, right? Yes. See this, my dear children. I show that one CRP how to find a meaning of a word. If you read any story means just you have to find out this. See the picture with sentence. See the picture with sentence. Use other words in the sentence to find out the meaning. Use other words in the sentence to find out the meaning. Okay? See that? She went to so many places, right? There are 5 things in the girl is talking about. She is trying to say a lot of places. Many means a lot of. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. They said lot, right? She went to see many places. There are 5 things the girl is talking about. நிறைய பிளேஸ் பார்த்தாங்களே அதை பேசுறாங்க. She is trying to say a lot of places. Many means a lot of places. Next, she, the girl, went to go. Places means where she went, right? Yes. So my dear children, see the picture with the sentence. Use other words in the sentence to find out the meanings. Okay? Yes. My dear children, let us see how we can find out the meaning of beautiful using these steps. I can Taj Mahal in the picture. I am reading the sentence beautiful India. Right? I know that many people come to India to see Taj Mahal. Right? Because they have not seen anything like it. So, beautiful means very good looking. Beautiful means what? Very good looking. Right? Yes. Do you understand what is the meaning of beautiful? Beautiful means very good looking. So from this story you have to try to read in your home independently, my dear children. Now shall we do one worksheet? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet number 4, question number 1. I will give you 5 seconds time. I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all opened your worksheet. Now see that. Circle the picture that matches the meaning of the underlined word. Beautiful means what? Very good looking. From this very good looking, which picture you have to find out and see. Next, Priya went to a holiday to India. Right? She went to see many places. Here having only one apple, here having many. Right? Yes. See that. Beautiful means looking good. Alaha irukka dress, we have to circle that. Priya went on holiday to India. Holiday ku eppadi povanga? Ippadana povanga, veetla irupangala? No. Next, she went to so many places. Many means niraya. Already we read this, right? So we have to circle this. Let us, shall we do this? Yes. Here we have to circle the pictures that matches the meaning of the underlined word. Okay? The underlined word is beautiful. I can see 2 pictures. One is clean blue dress and another one is dirty darn blue dress. Which one is the good? Beautiful. You know that, right? Yes, this is the beautiful. Good. Looking for good. So we have to circle this. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. Let us see the next one. Priya went on a holiday to India. How do you go? In home, then holiday to trip. Which one is the correct one? Yes, this one is the correct one. Next, she went to so many places. Many means what? Niraya. More than one, right? So here only one, here having more. Many, right? So you have to circle this. Do you understand, my dear children? Yes. See this, my dear children. This like you have to identify the meaning of these words. Okay? Yes. From this story also you have to read in your home independently. Do this like that. This worksheet also you have to complete in your home neatly. Yeah, great Kutima. Let us move to the grammar section. Now I will play one CRL. Just you have to listen carefully.
Hello students. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Write quickly. Write quickly. Sing loudly. Sing loudly. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yeah, did you see that video, my dear children? Yes. How do you think the girl was walking? Yes, the girl is walking slowly. How do you think the girl was writing? Yes, she was writing quickly. How do you think the girl was singing? Yes, she was singing loudly, right? So from this you have to do the actions from your home. If you are write means write fastly, write slowly. If you are read means read slowly, read fastly and read loudly. Just you have to think about this, okay? Yes, we have to use this adverb words. We can. So my dear children, we see many people or characters in your home near, right? They do different actions and adverb tell us how they are doing that action. Just you have to think about, you make a sentence or you have to use the adverbs. Well, for example, the boy is walking slowly. They are playing. Yes. The girl is playing happily. Right? Yes. One girl is writing. How he is writing? Fastly. Just you have to do the actions and adverb. Tell us how they doing the action. Right? Yes. எப்படி செய்றாங்க அப்படிங்கறது adverb. Are you clear, my dear children? Yes. Now shall we do one worksheet from this related? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet. Worksheet number 4. Question number 2. Page number 83. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds time. 3, 2, 1 and 0. I hope you all opened your worksheet. Before we do this, we have to see one CRL. Choose the correct adverb to complete the sentence. The turtle walks dash slowly and fast. How he is going? Walks? Yes, slowly. Slowly is the answer, right? Yes. So you have to write slowly here. Next, the dog barked dash. Loudly or fast? Which one is correct? Yes, loudly. So you have to write here loudly. Next, the boy can run dash fast or slowly. See the picture and say fast. So you have to write down here fast. I ate my food loudly or quickly. Which one is correct? Quickly. So you have to write quickly. See this, my dear children. Let us check your answers. Write neatly, okay? Great, my dear children. Let us move to the writing and speaking expression skill. We all have completed writing our sentences about our drawing in the previous class, right? Let's make sure they are all correct by following these 3 steps, right? We have to use the CAF strategy, okay? What is that? C means correct all the spellings. A means add more new words such as naming words, action words that we have learned, right? F means follow the sentence structure used on the board, right? Yes. See this from this yesterday's class. We wrote some sentences about like this, right? Yes. Did you complete this, my dear children? Now, I want you all narrate your story with your mom or your sisters, okay? About your drawing edited sentence. Now, you all will speak about your drawings using this sentence, okay, my dear children? In your home, you have to use the sentence. I will speak about my drawing. I am Jyotimani. I went to Delhi. I saw India Gate. I felt very happy. This like I am Jyotimani. I went to Delhi. I saw India Gate. I felt very happy. This like you have to complete your sentence yesterday itself. You have to speak your drawings with your mom or your sisters. Okay, my dear children. Yes. Yeah, let us recap what we learned today's class. In phonics class, we saw some word families, right? You will read the phonics word families independently, read correctly, okay? After that, whole words, we recap the whole words, then we did one worksheet. Then reading and listening comprehension, we read the story Beautiful India. After that, we did one worksheet. Then grammar, we have to saw the adverbs, right? Then writing and speaking expression, we will spoke our drawing. Then today's homework, my dear children, you have to read the story Beautiful India from your SR book, okay? Read and come. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.